Hi guys, my name is Christina. I'm a nutritional health coach and a nutritional therapist, and I upload healthy, delicious recipes, nutritional and lifestyle tips every week. If these are topics that interest you, then do hit the subscribe button to be notified when a new video goes live. In this video, I'm going to share with you my favorite morning tonic and also a tonic that I drink to manage my cravings. When I wake up, the very first thing I do is to drink either a glass of water or a glass of water with apple cider vinegar, turmeric, and pepper. I fill up a glass with water, filtered water preferably. I add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has lots of benefits such as weight loss, reduced cholesterol, lower blood sugar levels, improved symptoms of diabetes. Then I add 1/3 of teaspoon of turmeric powder. It is a medicinal plant, very well known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. And then I add a sprinkle of pepper, as curcumin, which is the main active ingredient in turmeric, is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream unless it is consumed with the black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin by 2000%. And then I enjoy it. I eat my breakfast, or I also enjoy it as my afternoon snack when cravings kick in, and that keeps me in line with my health goals. As a note, turmeric is not appropriate for everyone. If you're on blood thinning medication or if you have some serious health issues, do consult with your doctor to make sure that it's okay for you to consume turmeric, or what is the quantity of turmeric that you should stick to, just to make sure that nothing happens to you, okay? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. Comment with your thoughts, share it with your friends, and if you would like to, get in touch with people to support you and to get accountability in your health journey, then definitely do join my Facebook group, Health and Happiness for Life, where we support each other, we share ideas, we share what has worked for us, and it's a great community of like-minded individuals. You can also get a preview of my book that's coming by downloading my ebook called What Makes You Happy and Healthy, which talks about 10 elements that keeps us happy and that helps us live for longer. Who doesn't want that, right? So do grab your copy from the link below in the description. And guys, I will see you in the next episode. Bye!